Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, I will explain you about new navigation pane in Microsoft Excel. So friends, new navigation pane is available in View tab. Navigation pane button is available here. If you will just click, it will open that navigation window on right hand side of the Excel sheet. From here you can see entire workbook. So we have different worksheets you can see all the worksheet available in this Excel workbook, even hidden worksheets. So these are hidden worksheet, and you can see all the object available on hidden worksheet also. So we have pivot table, range, shapes or charts, whatever available there, you will see all the information. So if I will expand this summary sheet, it is active sheet. Here you can see it is in bold. So it is active sheet. So in this we have multiple shapes, then we have the charts. If I will just click, that chart will be selected. You can see if I will click on any shape, so you can see the slicer has been selected. And from here you can jump to the another worksheet also quickly. Let's say I want to go to the weekly performance and I want to see this pivot table. So if I will just click here, it will take me to that particular sheet and it will highlight that pivot table. You can rename the pivot table from here. Just right click and rename, and you can keep the name as, let's say this is weekly performance table. It has been renamed. For the shapes, you can name the shape, right click and rename, and you can delete a shape from here or you can hide that shape also. So quickly you can get the access for any of the sheet. You can just activate any of the sheet from here, and you can search the object also. For example, I just have renamed table for weekly performance. I want to see that weekly performance table. So here it is. If I will just click, it will take me to that particular table. So it is quite easy to use this navigation pane. If you have an Excel workbook wherein lot of objects and lot of worksheets are there, and you want to analyze what are the different objects or worksheets are available in your Excel workbook, so it is quite easy to see that. Now I'll quickly show you how can you open this navigation pane using different options. The first option is definitely you can go to the view and you can just click on the navigation button. It will open that navigation pane. The second is you can just use the shortcut key Alt W K. The another option is you can simply right click on the status bar of the Excel workbook, right click, go to the sheet number and just click here. So it is showing the sheet number. So this is third sheet of 7 sheets. So just click here. As you will click here, it will open the navigation pane. Alright friends, that is how you can open the navigation pane. You can directly hide the object. So let me show you. Let's say I have this new workbook here and I'm just adding few shapes. Let's say this is shape 1, this is shape 2 and this is shape 3. Now I'll go to the navigation pane. Now from here, this rectangle one, I can rename this, right click. I'm putting here, let's say blue box. Another one, rectangle 2, I want to hide this. I can simply hide this. The last one, I want to delete this. So it is deleted. So once it is deleted, it will not be visible. For this one, hidden, so it is grayed out actually. So just right click and you can click on show, so that will be visible. Alright friends, as of now it is available with Microsoft Office 365 Insider. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.